Hi Mixbook family. Today I'll walk you through our updated import addresses feature. So you can upload your mailing list in minutes, no manual entry required. If you're sending invitations or cards of any kind via Mixbook, you'll want a fast and error-free way to bring in addresses. Manually typing dozens or even hundreds of addresses is slow and prone to typos. With our updated CSV import, you simply create and upload one file and Mixbook does the rest. Today's demo uses real Mixbook workflows so you can see exactly how to use it in context. Before we get started, you'll want to download Mixbook's address template, which can be found here.
Now that you have Mixbook's address template downloaded, go ahead and open it in your preferred spreadsheet software, like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Here you can add your addresses following the fields listed in the heading, ensuring each row is one contact. For the first required field, name on envelope, you'll enter your recipient's first and last name, or the family name such as the Smiths. Each contact must have a name or else the upload will not be successful. Continue through the other fields, address line 1, address line 2, which is optional, city, state/province, zip/postal code, and country as you add each address. The only required field for the upload to be successful is name on envelope, making it possible to also print name-only envelopes for birthday parties or other invitations. Once complete, check your data as we don't validate addresses for accuracy. Remove blank rows, ensure consistent state codes, and check for any formatting issues. If everything looks good, save your file as a CSV, comma-separated values. If prompted for encoding, choose UTF-8. We recommend saving your file as something easily recognizable. For this example, I'll name it Holiday Cards, December 2025. There are two workflows to upload your address list into your Mixbook account. The first way is to create your card and click Order in Mixbook Studio. You'll be taken to the checkout page. From here, select your paper type, desired quantity, and now the most important part, select Printed Envelopes. Here you can customize the look of your return and recipient addresses, choosing your preferred font and color. Once the look of the envelope suits your taste, you can upload your address list. To do so, click Add Contact and Import from a file. Click Upload File and select your saved CSV file to upload. Mixbook processes the file and generates a preview showing how many contacts were read and how many errors, if any, were detected. If you see warnings, such as missing names, correct them in your CSV and re-upload. You can now see and select which recipients you want to include on your printed envelopes. Because you imported via CSV, you'll reduce time spent typing and avoid spelling mistakes, helping ensure deliveries reach your recipients. We mentioned two ways to upload your address list. Here's the second way. If you already have cards in your cart but want to add addressed envelopes to your order, first go to your cart. Where it says your chosen paper type, click Change. You'll now be taken back to the checkout page where you can follow the steps previously mentioned. Now that you know how to upload your address template, here are a few best practices to keep in mind. First, make sure you're using consistent formatting across your list. Things like always using the same abbreviations. It keeps everything clean and import ready. Next, always start with a fresh CSV for each occasion. It helps you avoid accidentally resending to the wrong person or pulling in outdated contacts. And finally, keep a backup copy of your CSV file. It's super helpful for your own records, tracking who you've sent to, and for any audits down the line. Now, if you ever run into issues, here are a few quick troubleshooting tips. If your upload fails or shows 0 contacts imported, double-check that the first row has the correct headers and that the name on envelope column isn't empty. If your zip or postal codes are coming in as zeros or blanks, make sure that column is formatted as text in Excel before you save your CSV. If you've imported more than one address file, you might see some duplicates. If that happens, simply uncheck the box for one of the duplicate addresses in your recipient address list. Remember, only addresses with a checked box will be printed on your envelopes.
Thanks for watching. Drop any questions you might have in the comments below and we'll get back to you.